Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Gramma in a Box unboxing for January 2020. And this box has a New Year and football theme. So there's 3 different projects inside. The first one is New Year sparklers, little pretzel sticks. Then we have Game Day Crunch, which looks like it has some popcorn. And then we have New Year and football cookies to decorate. Very cool. So let's take a look. There's our popcorn, melting chocolates that lid just came flying off, but those have little specks of colors in them. Blue icing, yellow icing, and brown pretzel sticks, cranberries, some 2s and 0s to spell out 2020, a couple footballs, and then some fireworks. And of course we have some peanuts, a variety of sprinkles, and then these ones are little candy drops. So I'm going to go ahead and start making these treats, and I will insert the footage for it. So for the first project, I separated out some of the larger pretzel sticks because there was 2 different sizes in there. So with the large ones, you're going to roll them in some of the chocolate. And shake off the excess, and then add some sprinkles so they look like little sparklers. And then you could set them aside to dry. And you will use some of the leftover chocolate for the next project. In the next project, you add all the popcorn to a bowl. The other smaller pretzel sticks are going to break up into bite-sized pieces. And then she did include some peanuts and cranberries, but my kids won't eat that because they're picky. So I just set that aside and mixed it together and ate it. So that was like my trail mix type snack. And then I have these little chocolate pieces I'm going to add to it. And then when Jackson's done, I dump the remaining white chocolate into the bowl. And then you mix it together. And once everything is coated, you can lay it out on the parchment paper. Try to lay it out in like one thin layer so it can dry quicker. And then if you want, you could even add sprinkles to it. So that tasted really good. And then the third project is always the cookies. So I normally do like 1 or 2, and then Raylan will do 1, and then Jackson does the rest typically. Raylan has a really nice icing method where she puts a little bit on the cookie, then she sticks the icing bag in her mouth, then she puts the icing back on the cookie, and then back in her mouth. It's the funniest thing. And so I always tell Jackson, like, what color do you want to give her? I let him decorate a couple, and then I give her whatever icing bag he's done using, and then she decorates the rest. So she has tons of fun. And she recognizes the box, so when she sees it comes in, she knows there's cookies in there and tries to pull it off the table. So here are the cookies. Jackson's finishing up with the sprinkles, and our little sparklers, and our popcorn. So this is always tons of fun. Highly recommend it if you want a little project to do with your kids or for your grandma, grandpa to do with the kids. It's tons of fun. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.